XKJ Group is a mechanical intelligent manufacturing enterprise in the design, production, sales, installation, training, and EPC turnkey services of mining equipment. We provide high-quality series products and production line technical solutions to its clients. The XKJ Intelligent Integrated Flotation Production Process and Mineral Processing Equipment, which includes crushing and screening, grinding classification, flotation, concentration, dewatering, drying and packaging, etc. This process can meet the needs of deep decomposition and purification of various minerals in multiple fields, such as gold, silver, copper, iron, lead, zinc, molybdenum, fluoride, graphite, and phosphate. The raw ore is unloaded into the raw ore buffer bin by mine carts. The vibrating feeder under the bin evenly feeds the ore into the jaw crusher for primary crushing. After pre-crushing, the minerals are conveyed by a belt conveyor to a vibrating screen, where the material is screened according to the design requirement. The qualified material is directly sent to the fine ore bin. The oversized ore is conveyed by a belt conveyor to a cone crusher for secondary crushing. After crushing, the ore is returned to the vibrating screen for secondary screening until it meets the required size. The belt conveyor with a metal detector and an electromagnetic iron remover to continuously detect and remove iron substances from the conveyed materials. The bottom of the fine ore bin with a vibrating feeder, which evenly sends the fine ore to a wet grate ball mill for primary grinding. The ball mill is driven by a synchronous motor and grinds ore uniformly with internal grinding media. The mill with an intelligent lubrication system to ensure stable operation of the transmission system. The discharge from the ball mill is conveyed through pipelines to a spiral classifier. The classifier separates the ground ore based on the settling velocity of solid particles. Fine particles overflow, while coarse particles settle at the bottom and are pushed upward by the spiral for discharge. Unqualified material is returned to the ball mill for regrinding. The qualified material is conveyed through pipelines to a high-efficiency agitation tank, where the slurry is thoroughly mixed with flotation reagents to increase the reaction time and improve flotation efficiency. The agitated slurry is then conveyed to the flotation machine for multi-stage classification flotation. The flotation machine can be equipped with an automatic reagent feeder and a liquid level monitoring device with laser ranging, float ball, and stabilizing cylinder for reliable performance and high detection accuracy. The flotation discharge cone valve with a pneumatic actuator for fast response and timely adjustment. After the slurry and reagents react fully in the floating machine, a large amount of air is blown into the bottom, creating numerous small bubbles under the action of the impeller stator and rotor. These bubbles disperse and rise uniformly, depending on the hydrophilicity and hydrophobicity of the minerals. The target minerals attach to the bubbles and rise with them under the appropriate slurry pH conditions. When the foam reaches a certain level, it is scraped by the rotating scraper and sent to the foam tank for the next process. The tailings enter the pump box and are conveyed by a slurry pump to a thickener for treatment before entering the plate frame filter press. After filtration, the tailings are sent to the tailing pond. The concentrate from the flotation machine is conveyed by a slurry pump to the concentrate thickener for primary dewatering. The thickener scraper, being driven by the central shaft, rotates and collects the settled concentrate at the bottom, which is then discharged through the bottom outlet for the next process. The clear water overflows into the clear water pool for recycling. The concentrated slurry is pumped through the pipelines to a disc vacuum filter for secondary dewatering. After filtration, the concentrate is classified and stored via a belt conveyor. His production line is highly intelligent and integrated, with advanced performance, enabling digital and visual centralized control of the entire production process. XKJ provides industry clients with a one-stop mineral processing system solution